just going to go in with this henna mask. So I'm going to put in 2.5 teaspoons and add about 3 teaspoons of aloe vera juice or warm water, and what that does is allows the goodness to be released, and it allows you to remove any lumps in the mixture before adding your conditioner. And you can actually see the slip here, the shine and the slip in the conditioner. Henna typically doesn't have that look on its own, and the reason for that is the marshmallow root, which is giving incredible slip and is giving a lot of gloss to the mixture as well. And that's a great consistency. You really want to make sure that you press against the bowl and get all of the lumps out, because then you won't have any capsules where the goodness is not being released into your hair. Right, that looks great. I'm just going to go in, and you can either add your favorite deep conditioner, depending on how much hair you've got, maybe about a cup of your favorite conditioner or half a cup. So here I am going in with a generous amount. I would say probably about a cup full of my favorite moisturizing deep conditioner. I'm just going to mix that all together. Did you know that most deep conditioners are made up of mostly water, and then the active ingredients are pretty much like almost trace in a lot of conditioners that you can buy in the store? So I love the fact that these BBO organic conditioners are so bioactive. They're literally just like plant, herb, oil, apple cider vinegar and all that good stuff. So sometimes when you're doing this stage, you might see 1 or 2 lumps that you missed before. That's fine, just go ahead and really press it in, and that is perfect. Now if you decide that you want it to be a little bit thinner, you can add a little bit of aloe vera juice or water and just make it a little bit thinner if you prefer. I do love using aloe vera juice in this, but water works just fine as well. So actually I prefer that texture just a little bit more. It's just a bit easier to work with in the shower. I'm going to go in with my henna mask, and I'm going to apply it from the roots all the way to the ends of the hair. The slip of this is great, super hydrating. If you didn't know, the henna in this is known and has been used for centuries in Ayurveda for rebuilding damaged strands, and it's really one of those super herbs that's great if you have high porosity hair. It helps to balance out the porosity. If this is going on so smoothly, it feels great. So I'm just going to quickly do the other sections of my hair and come at you so that you can see what it looks like. So I'm just going to twist the hair, and you want to leave it in for about an hour at the very least, and just enjoy a bit of, I don't know, a bit of a read, get your chores done, whatever, and allow it to do its thing. What's going to happen is that the Lawson dye from the henna is going to start really strengthening the hair, building up any cracks and crevices in the cuticle, and all the fats and the goodness and the sugars from all of the amazing ingredients are going to get a chance to penetrate. So you really want to allow it the time to do that. And another trick that I learned was to really just take the time to squeeze the product into the hair, because it actually forces it into the cuticles just that bit more. So I'm just going to pile it up. Now that it's twisted, it's okay to do so like this, and then put on a hat, leave it on for an hour, and then I'm going to come at you with it rinsed. Okay, so I have rinsed all of the conditioner out of my hair, but the thing is, because you've got so many particles as part of this deep conditioning treatment, you don't want to be left with anything in the hair. So it's essential that you go in and you co-wash, and let me tell you something. If you miss out this co-wash, you're going to be thinking you look fly, and then you're going to be out, you're going to see yourself in the sunlight in a mirror somewhere, and there will be some powder left in your hair. So please don't miss this step out. So again, just going with conditioner through my hair, and actually I like to use a brush for this stage because it really does help to get all the particles out. Make sure the brush has been cleaned beforehand if that's what you've used to detangle, and just really make sure that you get all of those herbs out of the hair. So you might want to do this 2 or 3 times, because to be honest, I find that doing it once is not enough. So do this 2 or 3 times throughout the hair, and you should be good.